Welcome to the AI Use Cases for Beginners series. These are short videos that's focusing on tactical ways to use AI as a beginner for you to make more money, and save time in your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to gain insights on your competitors so you can be ahead of them. My name is Vin Nguyen, and I'm the co-founder of WorkSmart AI, an AI growth partner agency where we help local B2B businesses grow using AI. Let's get started. For the purpose of this demo, today we're going to use a commercial cleaning business, and I have selected two in my market to play with. The first one is Bluebonnet Cleaning Service. Let's say if I own this. Now, I do not own this, but for this demo, let's say if I were to own this, and let's say my biggest competitor in my market is Lupe's Home and Office Cleaning. Those are the two that we're going to be playing with today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Maps and just pull up their listing. And in that, I will see all of their customer reviews. Because the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have AI analyze all of their reviews and identify trends in what they're good at, their strength, and what their weaknesses are. So let's do that. So I'm just going to copy just a basic Control-C of all of their Google reviews and then go back to Gemini and put in my prompt here. And don't worry about this prompt because I'm going to include this in the link below in my free Skool community for you to get all the prompt in this entire series. So I basically said, act as a business analyst. Below are my competitors, a Google review. Your task is to analyze all of the Google reviews and identify trends in the company's weaknesses and strength, and just pasting all of the Google reviews that I've copied. Make sure you turn on the pro mode to get a better result and just hit submit. All right, let's take a look at the output. So here's competitor strengths, opportunities to emulate, high efficiency team model. Their most distinct operation strength is deploying color-coded multi-person squad. Example given: Team Violet, Team Magenta, Team Blue. Setting 3 cleaners at once allows them to execute comprehensive deep clean in fraction of the time, often 1 to 2 hours. Okay. Customers frequently use words like stormtroopers and whirlwind to describe their speed, which highly appeals to busy professionals and parents. Their second strength is dominance in the move-in, move-out niche. All right, let's move on. Agility and last-minute accommodations. A recurring theme in the positive review is their willingness to accommodate short notice booking, next-day services, and weekend appointments. Flexibility is saving customers in pinch and driving fierce brand loyalty. Last one is proactive arrival communication. When the system works, customers love receiving text messages or email letting them know that the cleaning crew is minutes away. This modern touch adds a layer of professionalism and security. Now, their weaknesses, opportunities to exploit. This is important here because this is why we're doing this. Office to field communication gaps. There's a distinct disconnect between what the management promises and what the frontline worker delivers. Multiple reviewers noted paying for extras like baseboards, carpet, or home offices that the field team was completely unaware of and subsequently skipped. Another one is erratic scheduling and time management. While they're often praised on being on time, their scheduling system has significant failure points. Customers report a crew arriving an hour early with no warning, showing up hours late, or abruptly canceling appointment just minutes before the scheduled start time. Recent reviews also mention that the companies default to scheduling whenever it's convenient for them, rather than respecting the client's preferred time blocks. Next one is defensive customer service posture. A review of the owner's response and specific customer complaints reveal friction point in conflict resolution. Reviewers mention rude phone etiquette, abrupt canceling of long-term services without notice, and defensive replies to negative online feedback. When things go wrong, the company seems to struggle with service recovery. And lastly, quality control and consistency. The speed of their multi-person team sometimes comes at the cost of detail. Negative reviews highlight rushed jobs, skipped corners, and a few cases, carelessness with property, like scratching the floors when moving furniture or knocking over art. A strategic key takeaway for your business. Lupe's Home and Office Cleaning is winning on speed, team size, and last-minute availability. However, their Achilles heels is inconsistent admin communication and poor service recovery when mistakes are made. That is a huge insight, and that took us like a couple of minutes to be able to analyze over 300 customer reviews to be able to give us this kind of insights. So this way, when I know that I'm going against Lupe's Home and Office services, I know which levers to pull on to be able to convert the lead. All right, moving on to the second part of this video, which is doing a service offer analysis with AI. So here, I'm back in Gemini, and I have this prompt that says, act as a business analyst. I own a commercial cleaning business and here's my website. This is my biggest competitor and their website. Your task is to browse both websites and give me constructive feedback on my service offering and guarantees compared to my competitor. Identify gaps in my competitor's service offering and guarantees where I can capitalize and make my business more competitive. Make sure you turn on the pro mode and hit submit. All right, it's done. Let's take a look at the output together. So here we go. Service offering the true commercial advantage. Your competitor, Loopbase, is fundamentally a residential cleaning company that has expanded into the basics of office cleaning. Their service focus heavily on houses, move in, move out, deep cleaning by the room. Their commercial offering is limited to basic dusting, trash removal, and bathroom and floor cleaning. Your business, Bluebonnet, you are a heavy-duty, true commercial cleaning service. You offer specialized services that Loopbase simply does not, such as hard floor care, commercial carpet shampooing, pressure washing, event cleaning, medical, office, and restaurant cleaning. So here's how to capitalize. Highlight the gap. Many businesses make the mistake of hiring a maid service to do a commercial janitorial job. You should explicitly market yourself as the specialized commercial alternative. Emphasize that unlike residential cleaner, you have the industrial equipment, specialized floor care expertise, and capability to handle massive facilities like theme parks and medical offices. Also create packages. Since Loopbase offering by the hour and flexible room pricing, you can capture smaller office client by offering standardized small office routine care packages alongside your heavy-duty commercial contracts. It's very interesting. Secondly, guarantees and trust factors. Making it concrete. Your competitor Loopbase does an excellent job with their guarantee and trust factors. They offer a concrete 24-hour re-clean guarantee. If something is missed, contact us within 24 hours and we'll return to make it right. They also heavily promote trust factors, full-time employees, not independent contractors, actual office staff, and bonded and insured. Whereas your business, Bluebonnet, your current guarantee is a bit vague. Fair prices, superior quality, and exceptional customer service all guaranteed. While you do mention being licensed and bonded, it isn't as front and center as it could be. That's a really good point. The guarantee is very vague here. So here's how to capitalize. Implement a concrete commercial guarantee. Replace your generic guarantee with something measurable. For example, Bluebonnet 24-hour standard. If your facility is not clean to our agreed upon standards, contact us within 24 hours and we'll dispatch a team to correct it with no extra cost. Competitor, they offer easy online booking, transparent pricing, and dedicated customer portal. This makes the onboarding process feel very modern and frictionless. Whereas your business, your primary call to action is call Martin for a free walkthrough. While walkthroughs are absolutely necessary for a large commercial bid, relying strictly on a phone can cause friction for modern office managers who prefer digital communication. That's another great point, and here's how I can capitalize on that. Add a digital quote form. Okay. Summary. Your biggest competitive advantage is Loopbase is a residential cleaner playing on the commercial space while you're a bona fide commercial contractor. Lean into your heavy duty services and tighten up your guarantees to give facility managers the absolute peace of mind that they need. I really enjoy that. Now try this for your business and pick one competitor to try it with. If you want the prompt for these examples, you can grab them for free in my free Skool community. Thank you for watching.